Hey guys, here at American Supercar, we're always bragging about how much better we are than everybody else and how we take care of things. I wanted to give you a minute here just to show you some of the things that we do that most other places don't. Got brand new panels here. The cowl. One of the biggest problems with these cowls is they rot out all around the vent here. The reason they rot out is because from the factory, it's raw metal and it's put in without any kind of coatings on them. So we found that if you just take a simple can of Rustoleum and a brush, it lays out pretty flat, but it allows you to put a coating on there that will protect for the future. Now as well, things like this. You can get to the back of the dash. The factory never painted behind the dashboard. You don't have that wiring harness in there, you're doing a good restoration or at least something close to that. Get in there with that brush and paint that black. Protect it. Same thing with the cowl, the kick panels, the front of the firewall, all those areas. It only takes a few minutes. The brush really puts it on pretty quickly. It dries fairly quickly. And as you guys all know, Rustoleum is some pretty good stuff as far as impregnating itself into rough metal. But, it's just go the extra mile. The back side of the cowl here, the underside. If the air can get to it and it's raw metal, it will rust. This is just one more thing that you can do to preserve the life of your car, make it last a little longer. You're there anyway, so an extra 10-15 minutes really makes a big difference. I hope this helps. Take care.